suppose there's a scene, like, there's a funny scene where you're in the elevator and the condom falls, and how is this funny on paper?
When I read a script, then I meet the team, then I understand their intention and their idea of how they're visualizing the script.
Yami, I'll take you back in your life. When was the last time you abused the hell out of someone?
Never, Rohit. Never. And I think that is what is everyone's having fun at my disposal. That someone who doesn't abuse at all.
She prefers reading and narration is secondary. What about you? You prefer narration or?
No, I definitely read the script.
Okay.
But I would love to have narration from the director.
From the director.
To understand the point of view and vision.
I cannot imagine Yami abusing and like going all out giving galis. I can't imagine you at being on stage stripping yourself, showing your physique. You all were both doing things out of your personality. How was that scene?
Koel actually gets a revelation about Veer. कि जिस आदमी को मैं ऐसा समझती हूँ देख के उसके अप्रोच से he actually is a different guy. Physically also.
Yeah.
Because तब तक हम फिल्म में उसे देख रहे हैं कि कैसा है. He's not able to take any calls. He's not able to take a lead. वो डरा हुआ है.
हाइड्रोफोबिया
है, मतलब हाइट से फोबिया है, सब जगह से फोबिया है.
ये बताइए लोगों को बॉडी कब बनाई? खाली ये फिल्म के लिए बनाई कि पहले से यू हाइडिंग दिस एंड यू फाइनली यू आर शोइंग योर सिक्स पैक एब्स नाउ?
वैसे ऐसा ही था, ऐसा ही हूँ मैं. इतने शायद शार्प डेफिनेशन वाला सारा कट्स वट्स नहीं होंगे, बट लार्जली वही बॉडी फ्रेम है. पर इस फिल्म के लिए मेहनत बहुत लगी है. शूट के कुछ दिन पहले तो व्हेन यू एक्चुअली हैव टू गिव दिस बॉडी शॉट्स, आई वाज टोल्ड, मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे एक्टर्स की स्टोरीज भी पढ़ी थी कि इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
Guys, welcome to Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you.
I have watched the film. Big congratulations. I was watching alone, laughing alone. It is really, really entertaining, and I think we all were waiting for a film like that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
So good to hear from you. It really feels good.
Thank you. But I really want to understand, how is the narration of a comedy, situational comedy, where something silly is happening in the next scene and we are laughing? Like, does the director really explain? Is it all written? How does it work?
It needs to be on paper.
It needs to be on paper.
Little traditional that way.
Everything needs to be.
Everything needs to be on paper. Of course, once it's whatever's on the paper, that's correct. And I think kudos to Aditya and Arsh for that.
Yeah.
For writing a script like this and adapting it to. It was first written keeping Delhi in mind, and then of course a lot of things shifted post.
Okay.
Pandemic also, a lot of things, lot of things, and we adapted it to Mumbai, and to get the humor. Every city also comes with its own, of course, charm, with its own language, its own color. So now you have to get that essence out. How does Mumbai look at night? We've only seen a certain kind of Mumbai into something as realistic as Ramu sir's film, and this is also a part of Mumbai. True. And for me, the whole world comes alive when I read a script.
Okay.
So that is really important for me. I don't take narrations.
Okay.
I don't get narrations. I don't prefer. That's just a process. For me, everything that probably a narration does to someone, I get that from a script. I feel a script which has been written with so much effort and so much time. It's a painful
that's really interesting.
job. It's a very painful job, and I think it's very. Sometimes it's very underrated. It's still very underrated. We want jaldi और script लिखो या to meet deadlines या इस तरह की film लिखते हैं versus what does a writer actually want to write and can give us something new. So I think this film kind of came from that. That is what you should ask Aditya also whenever you meet him.
Yeah, of course.
And I thought it was one of the best scripts that have come my way, and there is no chance I'm letting Koel go slip away from my hands. And of course, on set, I mean, Rishabh was there to take it, notches higher, and let's do this, let's do that. There were times we would be improvising. There were times where, okay, so that exchange keeps happening. But that's not possible unless you have a strong base, which comes from the script.
So mostly in situational comedy, that's what happens. Like all the situations were written already, part of the script, and everything is there.
Okay.
But approaching the situation in all different possible ways is something that we all have to discuss. Okay. Keeping the tone of the film in mind.
Correct.
The same thing can be done in 10 multiple ways.
Yeah.
So which way that you would want to go ahead with.
Correct.
So that it also works for the next scene and the last scene of the film and the everything. Like that's how,
it is.
the whole process goes.
Right. You also prefer, like she said, she prefers reading and narration is secondary. What about you? You prefer narration or?
No, I definitely read the script.
Okay.
But I would love to have narration from the director.
From the director.
To understand the point of view and vision.
How he's
Because most of the time what happens is that whenever you get narration from the director, especially, if the writer director is the same person,
then it's the best.
Thing. But the moment you take narration from the director, the kind of words that they use, which are not written, tells a lot about how they visualize and what is their take on this particular field. So that you also can understand that, okay, now if I have understood it this way, but if the director is seeing it this way, how is it going to be shot?
Right.
How is it going to be translating?
Right.
So I just to have that feel and confidence,
very different school of acting.
It helps a lot.
It helps a lot. But Yami, I really want to understand that also. That suppose there's a scene, like there's a funny scene where you're in the elevator and the condom falls, and how is this funny on paper? Is it funny? Do you understand that, or has it happened that you were thinking something else and the director wanted something else?
No. See. So when I read a script, then I meet the team, then I understand their intention and their idea of how they're visualizing the script. I tell them this is what I perceived. This is the sur of the film, as you said. The same scene, the same reaction can be something totally different. Sometimes the reaction can be subtle, but maybe the background score can be totally something can be off. Not off maybe for me, but maybe that is what the director wants, or that is how the makers want.
Right.
So in every way, you have to be in sync in terms of aesthetics, in terms of what kind of film are you making. I think I'd also like to take this moment to thank Clinton and Bianca. They did a fantastic job scoring the film. It was not an easy background score because while it is a comedy, but it was not your run-of-the-mill caricaturish comedy jahan pe you would have sounds to underline that this is the punch moment now.
Right, yeah.
It's very subtle, right? So it's the audience to pick up those nuances and those small things. And you're absolutely right. That's something which before the scene you discuss with the director. There are times where she's very expressive, like the monologue. You have to go all out. You're not subtle there. There's nothing called subtle. You put literally everything out there. And there are moments where it's just those eye movements, just some small gestures which are enough.
Right.
तो वो सुर का बैलेंस ढूंढना कहीं ना कहीं एक दिन में आपको समझ आ जाता है कि this is the same film. Are we making the same film or not? Because if you're not making the same film, we've been on those sets also. That is
it's a different film in your mind. It's a different film in your director's mind and in your co-actor's mind.
And I've had this conversation
Then it's very difficult.
with certain director, some time back, where I said, I spoke to him alone. I said, this was a very different film when you and I spoke, and this is a very different film right now when all the actors have come in together. But because everyone is trying to do what's working for them the most versus, but this is not the film.
The film, right.
And I said, you have to voice out because, but anyways, so you get to know, this is a good marriage or not.
Right. A first for both of you. I cannot imagine Yami abusing and like going all out giving galis. I can't imagine you being on stage stripping yourself, showing your physique. You all were both doing things out of your personality. How was that scene? I want to tell the audience watching, इनके shirt के पीछे अच्छे six pack abs है, बहुत अच्छी pumped up chest है. What was that scene like? It is hilarious.
So it is actually, it comes in the film at a point where Koel actually gets a revelation about Veer. कि जिस आदमी को मैं ऐसा समझती हूँ देख के उसके अप्रोच से, he actually is a different guy physically also. Because तब तक हम फिल्म में उसे देख रहे हैं कि कैसा है यार, he's not able to take any calls, he's not able to take leave, वो डरा हुआ है,
हाइड्रोफोबिया है,
मतलब हाइट से फोबिया है, सब जगह से फोबिया है. So it also tells a very interesting thing about the society, that something that we see, we just judge immediately, and we don't wait, or we don't have patience to understand a person. So I just took all those things in a background. And what I had to do was absolutely something that I had never done. नॉट इवन विद फ्रेंड्स एट होम पार्टीज है मतलब
I can't even imagine.
sure. मतलब ऐसा पागलपन तो दोस्तों के साथ भी नहीं किया कभी.
We'll check with your friends. Right. Well, Yami, I'll take you back in your life. When was the last time you abused the hell out of someone?
Never, Rohit. Never. And I think that is what is everyone's
Yeah.
having fun at my disposal. That someone who doesn't abuse at all.
Huh.
And it was, I think that was one of the hardest things I've had to do as an actor. And of course, I signed the film. I said yes to the film. I loved the film. I'm working on Koil, and this is the scene. That's how I should do. And we're discussing ideas. And suddenly, one fine day, just one night before that scene, I'm telling Aditya that, Aditya, is there any other way? I don't think I can do this.
Right.
So can we write something else? Not just because I'm a writer who's in the next room. He's like, no, Yami, but this is very important. Now, in my head, I know this is really important. And I had made a story in my mind कि I'm going to make some gibberish language and I'm just going to say it instead of the galis. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? So he's saying, नहीं, हमें फर्क इसलिए पड़ता है because वो समझ में आता है कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो. वो emotion भी समझ में आता है. आपकी झिझक भी समझ में आएगी. And by this time, you know it very well. So very patiently, he explained me for 3 hours. And I'm saying, okay. But the next day on shoot.
Yeah, then the shoot day.
Yeah, shoot day, I'm doing the same thing. I'm making something gibberish. And my director finally comes with his headphones off कि यामी ऐसा है आपको असली में गाली देनी पड़ेगी. ये मैंने कुछ 20-25 गालियां आपके लिए तैयार रखी हैं. और आपको जो ठीक लगता है आप बोल दो. And I'm only listening. I'm like, नहीं ऋषभ, एक और टेक करते हैं. अब देखो क्या इमोशन आएगा. And he, poor guy, is only listening. He's like, मुझे पता है ये फिर से क्या होने वाला. फिर अपने हेडसेट रख के आएंगे, फिर आएंगे, बोलेंगे यार पूरा सेट लिटरली आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट वैसे भी नाइट शूट था. सोच चुका है कि मैडम अरे बेचारे गाली सबने गालियां तैयार की हुई थी कि मैडम को आज ये सिखाएंगे. अरे एवरीवन इज अ गाली एक्सपर्ट.
What fun, yeah. This shoot you should called us.
Oh man.
अच्छा ये वो वाला दिन था when we were in the car.
हाँ ये कार वाला.
कार क्रैश होती है ये सब. So in my mind I was thinking कि कार क्रैश और ये सब है टेक्निकल इतना है ना आज बहुत टाइम जाएगा. उसमें टाइम नहीं गया. टाइम जा रहा है यहाँ कि गाली दीजिए.
और मेरा टेम्पो जैसे जैसे गाली बोलने का टाइम आ रहा है नीचे जा रहा है. परफॉर्मेंस कहीं ना कहीं मैं प्रिटेंड कर रही हूँ बट वो मोराल नीचे जा रहा है कि आने वाला है. एंड देन ही इज लाइक यामी ऐसा है कि सिर्फ गाड़ी में मैं हूँ. द विंडो पेन्स आर रोल्ड अप. सिर्फ डायरेक्टर सुन रहे हैं. ऑफ कोर्स 50 बार बेचारे हेडसेट नीचे करके आ चुके हैं. बोल दो ना एक बार. बोल दो ना.
क्या प्रॉब्लम है.
देन लिटरली लाइक दिस मेन्यू कार्ड आई एम लाइक एंड मैंने पढ़ रही हूँ. मैंने कहा आई टुक अ डीप ब्रेथ. Like chalo, one more time, and the whole set has woken up. Everyone is like, and तो उनके reaction काफी फिर real है. So
ऐसे बहुत कम को एक्टर्स मिलेंगे जो गाली नहीं देना चाहते ना.
and set के take action cut के बाद मेरा literally ये था कि अब मैं कहाँ जाऊँ, कहाँ जाके मैं गंगा स्नान कर सकती हूँ. What do I do?
You know, और ये बताइए लोगों को बॉडी कब बनाई? खाली ये फिल्म के लिए बनाई कि पहले से you were hiding this and you finally you're showing your six-pack abs now?
वैसे ऐसा ही था, ऐसा ही हूँ मैं.
Okay.
इतने शायद शार्प डेफिनेशन वाला सारा कट्स वट्स नहीं होंगे. बट लार्जली वही बॉडी फ्रेम है. पर इस फिल्म के लिए मेहनत बहुत लगी है. 3 महीना मतलब बहुत सारा प्रोटीन खाया है, बहुत सारा वर्कआउट किया है, कम सोए हैं, बहुत भागे हैं, कम पानी पिया है, बहुत सारे क्रैम्प्स हैं. और शूट के कुछ दिन पहले तो व्हेन यू एक्चुअली हैव टू गिव दिस बॉडी शॉट्स आई वाज टोल्ड. मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे एक्टर्स की स्टोरीज भी पढ़ी थी. इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
इट इज अ फुल ऑन जॉब.
एंड आई कम फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट स्कूल ऑफ थॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ फिटनेस एंड वर्कआउट्स. तो मैंने सोचा था ऐसा तो कभी नहीं करूंगा. पर उसके अलावा ये कैमरे पे इतना दिखता नहीं है शायद. तो 4 दिन पहले से आप दिन का 1 लीटर पानी पी रहे हो इन ऑल फॉर्म्स. चाय कॉफी सब मिला के जस्ट 1 लीटर ऑफ लिक्विड that you consume. You don't consume salt. Carbs नहीं है, सिर्फ प्रोटीन है. So मतलब because if you don't eat carbs, तो you feel irritated. You don't feel at ease. Sleeping is an issue. तो ये सब कुछ करने के बाद when वो और एक तो उसमें गाना है. Where I'm टेकिंग ऑफ माय शर्ट एंड ऑल, तो डांस वांस करने के बाद सब उस दिन तो ऐसा लग रहा, आई वाज एक्चुअली वेटिंग कि कब ये खत्म और मैं आई जस्ट गो, आई वांट टू हैव वाटर फर्स्ट.
water
कि
first.
पानी नहीं पिया 4-5 दिन से, ऐसा लग रहा था मुझे.
My God, that is a hell of a job. You know, it's not that. Lastly, it's not that you all have not done comedy. You all have done some. You all have made us laugh in so many films. Bala, I've told you so many times. It's one of my favorite performances of you.
Thank you so
It is absolutely amazing. And you know, you did Madgaon also. You made us laugh. This kind of situational comedy is different from all that you've done before. This was different.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
What way? On the set,
Absolutely.
I mean.
On a set. No, on a set, I think it's the same. I don't think I really think about my approach
Okay.
in terms of it makes it anything very different apart from the technicalities, and of course it's a different character. But my process is pretty much
The same.
very similar. I'm my director as actor.
Right.
I need that clarity before we hit the set, that
Right.
about the world, about everything, from her diction to her mispronunciations to everything. I have my notes in the worst handwriting you can imagine. To an extent, I really need a magnifying glass sometimes
Oh
to
my
see
God, totally.
what did I write and why. Why can't I learn to write?
Yeah.
But I just scribble something.
Type,
Whatever I keep
yeah.
imagining or thinking, I write, and my gazillion voice notes to my directors at different different time of the day. That's my process, because I
Okay.
keep reading the script again and again and again. I think that's all your answers are in a good script.
Wow.
I think, of course, you have sometimes those external sources and references in it, including in comedy. To make it, I always feel, to make something look effortless or it's a part of you.
Yeah.
We didn't see Yami, we saw a Pari Mishra, we saw a Koel Chadda. There's a lot of effort that goes in,
into it. Right,
because
right,
you have to have of course the timing right. You have to first of all understand the sur of the film.
Yeah.
Once you understand the sur in the world, I
Yeah,
think
then
then you're
yeah.
home.
Your handwriting is bad.
Very bad.
Very bad. Type on the phone, na? Notepad.
No, I can't. I don't like it. I like my those print pages.
Okay.
I don't read on iPads. I like pages. I love
Right.
paper, and I save the paper. I have them printed on both the sides in case somebody wonders I'm wasting paper.
Right. And lastly, to you, you know, do you understand on the set this joke has landed? When it doesn't land, then what do you all?
So on the set only also, I mean,
Shooting it.
Yeah. When we were shooting it, a lot of times that you feel that it's not landing.
Yeah, correct.
Even while
Then-
reading, you feel that it's not landing.
Then what do you
So you have to reconstruct the whole thing.
Okay.
Right from the situation to those lines to words to reactions, everything needs to be reconstructed there and there itself. And for that, I guess everyone in the team has to be ready with couple of options.
Okay. Okay.
कि इसको ऐसे भी approach कर सकते हैं. But keeping the overall film in the mind. कि ना that's not the film. So ये पूरी film का अगर ऐसा नहीं है, then so मतलब yeah, it's a lot of trial and error that you have to do. But mostly that happens during the reading sessions.
Correct.
Because you understand कि हाँ largely ऐसा होगा.
Right.
Because you don't want a situation, and you know, when you watch especially comedy films, you can tell by this time कि ये हमें नहीं हंसी आई, पर पक्का इस सीन को शूट करते वक्त मॉनिटर पे सब हंसे होंगे.
हंसे
अरे
होंगे,
सर क्या बात है, क्या टेक है, हम पागल हो गए हंस के. But it's the scariest thing when the audience is not in sync with you.
Yeah.
So you can only cover so many aspects, and I think your instinct knows it. If you know you have it, you know it.
Yeah.
And then you do, again with comedy is not something आप बार बार retake देख सकते हो.
Correct.
You can't do it, including a monologue. You cannot do
Yeah.
that. I would not do that.
Right.
So just I think to get the homework right, I think is the most important.
Good one. Great. That monologue was also amazing. Thank you so much. Everything landed that you all have planned. I watched it yesterday. I plan to watch it again today.
Oh, super.
Super fun.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
very
Rohit.
much.